Shifting our focus to Uttar Pradesh now, where just days after dead bodies of suspected COVID patients were spotted floating on the Ganga River in Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh as well, fresh reports have now emerged of multiple bodies found buried in sand at two locations by the same river in Uttar Pradesh's Unnao district this time, just about 40 kilometers from the capital, Lucknow.
The UP government taking stock 24 hours after these bodies, allegedly of COVID patients, were found buried in the sand by the Ganga River in Unnao, just 40 kilometers from capital Lucknow. Reports from the area suggest a shortage of wood for funeral pyres could be why corpses are being abandoned in this manner. The images, just days after dead bodies of suspected COVID patients were spotted floating on the Ganga River in eastern UP and in Bihar.
जो लाशें हैं वो कोरोना की लाशें हैं, कोरोना से खत्म हुए लोगों की लाशें हैं जिनको ट्रेस नहीं किया गया। तो ऐसा कुछ वाकया क्या सामने आया?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है और ऐसी कोई जानकारी भी नहीं है।
Unnao currently has a little less than 2,000 active COVID cases. Data released by the state government also suggests that since the beginning of the pandemic, around 170 people have died in the district from the infection. But evidence from the ground across rural UP suggests things are much worse. In Unnao, more headaches for the government. 14 government doctors in charge of rural hospitals in the district resigned from their posts last evening, saying they are being made the scapegoats for the rise in COVID infections in the district.
सामूहिक इस्तीफा देने का वजह क्या है? वजह यही है कि हमें काम करने के बाद भी बार बार हमें ये सिद्ध कराया जा रहा है कि शायद हम लोग काम नहीं कर रहे और हमारे काम ना करने की वजह से कोविड संक्रमण जो है वो नियंत्रण के बाहर हो।
A top government official in Unnao has now said that things have been sorted out.
सीएमओ साहब ने वार्ता की है और अन्य हमारे जो एसीएमओज हैं उन्होंने भी वार्ता की है और शीघ्र ही समस्या का समाधान कर लिया जाएगा। वो सब हमारी टीम के लोग हैं और कहीं बाहर के नहीं हैं। हम लोग वार्ता करके उनके अगर कोई समस्याएं हैं तो उसको हम लोग दूर भी करेंगे।
But is the pandemic going out of hand in UP's rural areas? With Gaurav Sharma in Unnao, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.